Well, it's a beautiful Saturday morning in August, and me and Casey are decided to go fish on the Embarrass River for some smallmouth bass and probably some sheephead lately. But we're decided to have a little competition today. Right, Casey?
Yes, sir.
We're gonna see whoever catches the most fish gets, the loser has to buy them their first drink at the bars tonight. So a little bit of wagering going on here, keeps everything interesting. But hopefully we get some good ones. We're gonna be fishing with some worms and some split shots today, keeping it real. So hopefully we get some.
No, it shouldn't be. Oh, this guy's on a mission.
Yeah?
You got binoculars for looking for fish?
No.
Greatest, oh, it's a camera. Oh, you had the old Wisconsin fish finder.
Oh, no.
For a second.
Just make. Well, Casey just hooked up way over there. Looks like he's fighting a bass. Let's see if we can get a little bit closer to him so we can see what he got. I'm walking closer to you. In the meantime, throw a couple live baits out there. See if we can double up. Come on now. Oh. Christ, still fighting them. Must be a monster. I'm coming. I'm coming. Looks a little small. Ooh, sticks. Well, how'd you catch him?
Right off the end of that there snake pile.
Oh yeah? Yeah, looks like a good spot for him. Well, nice job, sir. Yeah? Yeah, fishy, 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 fishy. Come on now. God damn. God damn. Getting scooped. Getting scooped. Let's right in this little cubby hole. Ooh, that looks good. Ooh, there we go. There we go. Right in the little cubby hole, Casey. Come on. There we go, folks. Not a big one, but better than catching nothing all day. How the heck did I hook you? There we go. Well, Little smallmouth. That's 2 for me so far and 1 for Casey. But we still got a long day ahead of us. Here you go, little buddy. Going right back over there towards that cubby hole. Oh. Fix my worm here a bit. Alright, she looks good. See if we can catch his uncle now. Uncle, granddaddy, take any of them. Ooh, get away from that snake. Come on. Oh. Didn't get one there. Let's try this one more time. I'll go downstream a little bit more. Nada. Nada, 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 nada. Well, Casey's just hooked up here. Pretty far away from when I'm snagged up in something myself. I'll come right over there after I get my lure out. I think I'm got a stick coming my way. Come here, Mr. Stick. No. Don't got no. Oh Christ, it's either a carp, a sturgeon, or a big bass. The way you're fighting it. What? That's what I would think. Since you had a carp or sturgeon or something over there before, and since it's fighting so hard and not coming near the surface. Alright, I'm making my way. Making my way downtown. Walking fast. Something, don't know the rest of the song. See it yet? Is it a carp? Ooh. No, it's a sheephead. Keeping those. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. Those are nice to eat. How do you what? No, it's just normal fish. Usually I grab them by the top of their backs because their mouths are kind of small. But you can grab them by the mouth too, it don't matter. Yeah, they're kind of like a, I don't know if they're considered, I think they're considered a rough fish. But they taste good though, which is the surprising part. I'm guessing that's your first time catching a sheephead? Yeah, I think I didn't catch any either until I started fishing over here with Arlie and stuff. It's 2-2 right now, Casey, isn't it? Well, I caught 2. Right when before we went into that snake pile where it got shallower before? You didn't see me catch that? Oh, well, I got it on video. It was just a small one though, that's why I didn't keep it or nothing. Like it was really small. Probably like 8 inches. Oh. There we go. There we go. Oh, it's a bass. Don't feel big though. Don't get snagged. Oh, you're feisty. Oh, you're tiny. You're tiny. Oh, does that count? I touched him and he got off. Does it count?
No, because then my other one counts.
God dang it. Casey, bring the canoe down here. I don't have a worm. That's just my luck. It's nice and deep up over here. Yeah. I've got like a tiny little bit of worm I'm gonna try doing until you get over here. Oh, oh, there we go. This one feels nicer. It might be a sheephead. It's fighting like a sheephead. Oh, it's a northern. Woo-hoo-hoo. Easy, easy, easy. Where are you? Solid. Missed the hook set, but oh, it's a sheephead. Yeah, I got a sheephead. Oh, try to save my rod a little bit. Chill, guy, chill. Ooh, got me there a little bit, buddy. Be nice. Be nice. I need a stringer over here. Fuck. Casey, can you come over here quick? Just post up like right there or something. I don't know. What? Fuck. All right, I'm coming your way. All right. Well, you got a little sheep head right there. No way. He got away. Yeah, I caught it. Oh well, I'm gonna keep a stringer in my pocket from now on though, for when we're separated. He wasn't like ginormous, so I guess it don't matter too much. Yeah, I do. Tiny little guy. Oh. 4-4. Don't go any farther, I need a worm. Four, got a little bass. Ooh, he's gone. Tiny little guy. Oh. Ooh, we just hooked up. Feels large. Large and in charge. No idea what it is. Is that a northern? Dude, I think it's another northern. By golly. By golly. Another northern, boys. I'll take them any time of the day. Anytime, all the time. Not too bad. That's about the same size as our last one, actually. A little bit might be, but nice. Oh, yeah, if you tip us, this GoPro's going over. Why was it? Oh, geez. Was it France that you do this kind of stuff? Who needs it? Who needs it? Casey's boating and singing services. Local, locally grown. You're gonna hit this log. No, I'm not. Okay. I guess he knows these waters better than most. Okay, sing us a song. Sing us a song, Casey. Sing us a song of the olden days.
I don't think that's appropriate for this evening.
All right. Well, we're almost done. We're almost done fishing this stretch of river until we're to our final destination. There's a couple more bends that we're gonna hit quick, but our GoPro is running on 18% battery right now, so We're gonna cut her just in the nick of time. Well, should catch just a few more though, so look forward to that.
What's that?
Well, we just got done fishing for the day. It's about 6:37. We took quite our time going down. Wow.
Out there. Wow.
But anyways, we ended up 5-5 if you believe it or not. So I guess nobody wins today.
How about you win? You got me.
Yeah. But we ended up with what? I caught 2 northern, 2 bass I think, and a sheephead is what I got. What'd you get, Casey?
4 sheephead and a bass.
4 sheephead and a bass. Couldn't film a lot of him just because he was off, you know, fishing his own secret hole. So, but it wasn't a bad day. The river was a little low, and some of the good spots that I'm used to fishing weren't the best. So, but it was nice fishing farther up than what we're used to. So, overall, it was a success.